your arrest.
For what?
For simple assault. Put your hand behind your back.
Man,
No.
I'm not going.
No. Bro, don't.
I'll take it all the way there. I'm not going.
There, I got one.
On July 19th, 2023, in South Bend, Indiana, a Michigan State police officer noticed a red Kia with a broken brake light during his evening patrol. The driver, later identified as 32-year-old Joshua Ringel, pulled into a marijuana dispensary and waited to talk with the officer. What started as a routine stop turned into a deadly high-speed chase. It goes to show how dangerous police work can be. Sometimes you don't know who you're dealing with until it's too late.
No, I appreciate you, man. Thank you. The only reason I'm stopping you is got a brake light out.
I was actually getting ready to go on the way to go fix it.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, get the bulbs.
Okay, I got you. You got the paperwork for the car?
Yeah.
Do you keep anything for person protection in the car or anything like that? Do you open carry?
No, I just got a knife.
You just got a knife? Okay, where's the knife at?
It's somewhere in the back seat.
So back seat. What kind of knife is it?
This, I guess, hunting knife, I guess.
Hunting knife? Okay. Okay.
More screwdriver.
I got you. Okay. Okay, anything else in the vehicle? You got marijuana, methamphetamine. Okay. Crack cocaine or... Okay. All right, ma'am, you got your ID on you?
Back in his cruiser, the officer ran Ringel's record and discovered a warrant tied to a recent assault case. The situation suddenly escalated. When he returned to make the arrest, he may have been focused on the knife in the back seat. What he didn't know was that a firearm was hidden inside Ringel's center console.
Hey, Josh, can you hop out for me real quick? I want to talk to you. All right, just leave your stuff in here. We'll be able to get it here in a minute, okay? Watch out for your keys. They're about to fall off your lap. Oh, they on you? Okay. I'm in. All right, go put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
What's going on?
You got a warrant for your arrest.
For what?
For simple assault. Put your hand behind your back.
Man,
No.
I'm not going.
Bro, don't.
I'll take it all the way there. I'm not going.
Aaron, I got one fighting.
Look,
I'm telling you right now, dude.
going.
I'm telling you, stop.
I'm not going.
Stop.
For what?
No,
It's
stop.
simple assault from where?
Simple assault. Get out of the crowd. Stop fighting. We're fighting. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Drop the gun. Drop the gun right now. Drop it.
After a struggle for survival, the officer got back into his patrol car and pursued Ringel through South Bend. Another unit deployed spike strips, shredding one of the Kia's tires, but even that didn't stop him. Determined to avoid prison at all costs, Ringel was willing to risk everything, even his life.
Got it. That's fire, Mike. I'll do the location. Are you guys coming up?
Angela.
Coming up to Angela. Pull over. Down the way. Well, I've got another guy here just walked into the front block. Very good away. We have a jurisdictional with them currently. So you go through where this is floor, there in the six. Sir? What's up? Please, pull this off for this.
Testing now, over.
Come in.
Coming up to West Madison.
Coming up to West Madison. He's got it. No.
Come on, get that car, go for it.
Let me go quick.
Officer down, officer.
Officer down. Officer down.
The search grew intense as officers, canines, and a SWAT team combed the woods for Ringel. Eventually, they found his body at the bottom of an embankment near the St. Joseph River. Reports revealed he died from blunt force trauma. Investigators believe he may have been injured when his car was rammed into a tree or when he fell and struck his head on a rock. We wish to extend our deepest condolences following the passing of Mr. Joshua Ringel. The loss of a life, under any circumstance, is always a tragedy. Our thoughts are with his family, his loved ones, and all who are affected by this painful event. May strength and comfort be found during this difficult time.
Shots fired! Shots fired again!
On July 11, 2018, as the sun rose over downtown Las Vegas, officers rushed to a shooting at a local car wash on Northeastern Avenue. A man had been struck several times, and the attackers were seen fleeing in a black Ford Expedition. 2 hours later, police found the SUV and tried stopping it, but the driver sped away. That's when Officer William Umana jumped into pursuit and never let go. Watch as he remains calm, cool, and collected, even as the suspects open fire on his cruiser.
Be advised, shots fired! Shots fired!
What's the location?
Southbound Mojave passing Bonanza. Black, shots fired still.
Charlie 4, I copy. 751, you copy?
Give me the air unit. Shots fired! Shots fired! Give me the air unit. Still southbound Mojave approaching Charleston.
Southbound Mojave approaching Charleston. Shots still being fired.
It's occupied 2 times, HMA. Driver's got a bald head, tattoos, black shirt. Passenger's got a white shirt. Going westbound Charleston from Mojave.
6-1, I'm going to switch over to D-Tech so we can...
Watch out! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired again!
Copy. Where are you at, Charlie 4?
Going northbound Eastern from Charleston. Hey, back up! He's shooting!
Due to the disturbing footage, the next part isn't shown, but Officer Umana fired back from his cruiser, hitting the suspects and forcing their car to crash. Authorities later identified them as 22-year-old Fidel Miranda and 30-year-old Rene Nunez. Rene attempted to flee into a nearby school, but collapsed from injuries sustained earlier that day. Fidel did not survive the encounter. Las Vegas police confirmed Officer Umana fired 31 rounds. The suspect shot 34 times, and another officer discharged a shotgun once. Fidel paid the ultimate price for his crimes. Meanwhile, Rene was charged with murder, assault with a deadly weapon, and discharging a firearm from a moving vehicle.